so ba pound some do no nkono. Say morning.
Good morning. Adom o nanso
me ho ye.
Na wa bonya me dwuma no pay. Da bia wo bona ne de ne ya dutwam. On kra me ho. Akwasi boatin Hail Him Shippers Company.
Pressure na ba no so. Fa ba wo so no
mema obi mpaye nye mema obi mpaye nye mpaye hunu
heat ni sunti ase me pese me ya na me teso kakra bare ntimente
ene na David Shribo boatin se de na no pay wa manya medum no wura no hwa fa ba wo so wuni ata na mka cha nse eno no ya akom esu so etisa akom
ene je wo mche hwe ene se de jawo mu no
enti amfa ho ni nyamedwom no bia besi
sure na ye bibia won segment we amonnum na wi
eno ni ja no beba ene akwasi wasumu a
morning why
Nana ya boy ama nana kodru Jama North okoye krum kwa kodi nchirikase ejame eti nana udi edi jame sa na enye hwe so kodi bese na kakrebu ohonom Yasiamba Studios ene ye Edwina upon Edwin upon wo GBC director asanso sutwa na ye ne birthday eti Edwina me ma happy birthday sensu twa camera ni bi ka enti me no happy birthday Yavan krata no to asopreko na nefa ba wo so beje time daily graphic the book krata no wa ha na animu ha na wode UPSA ensem bi abeto ha na se ukọ edwamu a udu ntomafo liar na ye bo adoma donkomi GTP na ebi frɛ ATL na ebi frɛ Dumas yes na udu UPSA donkomi sex for grade eno omode mama nkwada no eti oba betimi afamu apie na nya ade no kosua ye na ya aseje otumi jesha no ho a otumi nya grades na ani je sam a wom ne se school ni mpanifo atu ho anamo adai yes na lecturers mi ensa bi wo school mu ho no omode adom ato ade no so eno omode ma grades ena womo atu ho anamo 3 lecturers ya nanka womo University of Professional Studies Accra UPSA ena yayi womo die ese womo nam ena womo ne nkwada mawe na ene ohwa na ohwe na ho beji anase ne kon bedowo a na wode ato wanim se exams na watwero no nya de abepase kwan bia so be feli ejina meme so meme ye lecture enti upa bra ne be civila wo civila nko ade a ene obepase enti nkwada no bi oho no mu a nanu hahantwo jeso de ne to kokoje na nkwada mu bi ena abo asemi so de ache sukuu no mpanifo am wo mate a wo matu ho anamon na amane a wode bae ne kyeremu sei acherechefo a yayi wo modi no ebi e wo finance ena ebi wo accounting department enti finance and accounting department lecturers e wo ho ebi ena na wo mudi sa adwuma no a sukuu ni abayo abako wo se acherechefo no mu mienu wedi na de achi na wo yadi enti onyensan ya no onhye da nim omumu di odi ye sanzo obi tum bedi anopa na obi abedi anwumere enti no onhye da nim di onyensan no
awon fie sei
wawie watwam na so tra 18 years enti wo say ba ko sheda frɛ no ede ne exam so twere paper ne kyerɛ no sɛ hwɛ wa ma me no one na me failu enti on so hwɛ ya na asɛm na ginsɛmu ɛna o ma papa ne ne dae afi wo kɔfa afuru ɛna o ka kyerɛ lecture nsa ade na teacher okan ya na lecture ande ne ko na danfo bi oton no no ma na dro bi nom ye no san de bi share na se ade mu se ye ne ye ntwere twi ye kyerɛ ye mo bibia din se de be ya o mbehunu this ye kase na se na just wo di mo no na ode share na se wie ya wo ba ni hostel ena moja betu no saa moja tu na ma afedu ba bi no e ka ketekete ni ko
ma menya de we anya bi asasa bi ato pen se wo ko page mo ba bi se wo mama anya ba ko a me mawo ejuma me mfa mawo ana wako school bi wo exam bi wo experience. I want you to share it with us but mo dia na boy enkomo because I say ekoso wa mama ne wanda me mo ejuma wow
promotion na
we let na yen saka but share me wo
Hwan hotel papa bia na minim no o say hey Frase ba ya pia journalism ya nya ne sa Shamu Alisa hotel mampani dada kufo o ba program na se bi
No, a general manager.
That's just a person what they go.
No, a general manager. And so they're from me. We are by your from me. And Mamma could be the
Who experience I share.
say amount discounted there and yeah. Hey, Mamma could be
Who experience Anna?
Hello.
Hello.
Sweetheart, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho. Nyami Adom answer. Yo.
Matt, I do radio. Cost papa. Enyendo.
Hey.
Enyendo kra. Me kai time mami we SS first time. Any pone school bia ever yen but na me results na me train. I went there. First made my application na call here. And almost friend me for interview. Almost from me fine. After a day in SSA, my report and me buy there was this guy I know na interview. He called me, catch him say, the way I met no na ya family but ono ka se go a bibia be obisa me bisa say what is he trying to say? Catch him say okay, open me. And I told him that open me how? Ejuma 19 amaba. And I say if say my man say I said any ejuma no any mpe. I go. I told him to say I go be na odi a own die na me panacho me say ejuma no. Catch me say me mpene dia any me forget say about ejuma no. Me ko fie thinking say omo be friend me. O man friend me be the thing and I mean wait sharing to the same thing. When I was at home now me after my service I mean so me call company be the same and we put there right in the office. Apparently on his desk but not per se on him that before them while I'm qualified for the job. It's a idea also a new thing. A idea because and I want penny so even though they tell you that you are qualified. Never when you're qualified, you are really qualified, but yeah, so.
I am funny for. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho to say.
Yanko Pado.
Ebi atonda.
To me pa.
Hey, asa nya ba ko.
Even in Flagstaff house.
Huh?
My ye Jumani me boss and I call Flagstaff house. And I have me Sam and Penny. You call Flagstaff house. Yeah, signing no outside. Or catch them me say. Me am penny awari and my worry dia me vie finish them ampa appointment a man won fa me anko the ni driver be nyan wo Flagstaff e ko ye
ha
am I bo me meet na Flagstaff house e hoso no na to the oko nte wo say ma me another boss ni obema me no nso e ti say wo boss ko and just so person wo tna ha dia e wo say wo pay kindness banyankopon adom ni nyina mu no me plate trick.
Me purchase a chair.
I buy a chair.
Okay.
Then you me play tricks. Now, and yes, I'm a wanting, but a baby me won't pay a baby and none panati has here, and to my family one more biada.
But no more pushes us on my own.
Oh, more pushes, auntie. No, my baby, streaming. No, my was a minya.
And Yametiase.
Minya. And to know, no, cost when they are cost so pa. Then me husband me worry no me can in na no and now catch me say bibi di mi mechi enti na me nya ne wo say me nya but me catch am so boa abrabon sa na tie me shiri ni o me bi no because of nyaminti
why are there
that's it
me da say hello yes good morning
yeah good morning Captain.
Hey bra bia to ana
Yami Ankasa, na CIA Kasa, Samanka, school be on my day, St. Mary's. Electrical class to be a young lady back home. There's a teacher called Bless no harassing the says, Woman,
William Srow. Yes, allegation. So if he said, oh, carry and paddy, school and a catch school authorities, no, we're sorry. Yeah. And really disassociate ourselves from this particular allegation. Thank you. Hello, Moni.
Hello.
Mpacho mamintio.
Mpacho, yes, me pa.
Hey.
Me na me we jumem. Ejuma no wo nipa no waji bin pa nyodo. Ni manager. Yeah. O ko ejuma bia na o cha me nti. Nya me ya menya me juma me de me ho ma no afa obi wo adwuma no ma opese ware me
wo ye wona ne ye
me ne ye
e no de adwuma ne ma ho
ai ono de ma me
na ono wa ware
no wa ware
okay
na me ware me ena so la se bi adwuma mu a opese ware me o tata mi a so ni se de pa no opese ware me to ye ya ba ni se ma fa ma je ma ni bi o ko sin am pe me nyi ena me ma guy no ko ye no wa de o ko ye no wa de ye me ho de ye wedding Saturday Sunday Monday na me ko ejuma eti ntumi nye ejuma o bi na ni ne e wo ejuma ba ko ntumi nye asa agura ha me ejuma se
at the time no ne wo dane de no nim say ejuma ba ko na wow
sa na di ye wo ejuma mo
okay that's yan fa foforo hello
good morning Captain Yamin Shravan.
Amen on shrawan so.
Na eneme
atiatum. Atiakotum. Hello.
Hello, Captain.
Bibi ay boko de.
Yami Adom.
Pacho mamitio.
Mimi di ani say. Bibi to me 4 times for. Papa na me go school na me wo form 4. Yeah, the last batch, form 4 last batch. Na I tell you my call is there say the book of my master. The headmaster no show me no folks. No be me too. Me too na me no pass na more 16 years. So I said oh sir, I don't like that. I say oh let me hold you here. No I saw me no folks.
O so here no here.
O so me no folks.
Now so jan ho hwe.
That be no so sir, I don't like that.
Oh sir.
Oh three no hey. Inti sama me Johnny Free office so. Inti every time I could be a sana oh yeah, yes no one better me ko.
Wow.
Sana me teachers family in work class the same thing. The Saturday or see back classes. Yeah, Paul see omunko. Now I'm many girl back here change. Now I start not the source or see me who cry me no food so na. Won't come a picture. This I am an Inti the school so you want to copy no money I don't know that what is wrong with them. Me who home. Inti that's it.
Me so me da say. Ye wi ase ba ye. Obi was home ma me fa no wi. Hello morning.
Hello.
Mpacho say.
Ayo.
Good. Munyami Adom mami ti.
No bu patrol. Na mani jana ta so parent to you so me yeda. You can meet there you know that me get you come out of my plan. Ko management for you. Enya some ketwa. Mani jafo. Enya some ketwa. Dom tire pa.
Okay. Okay. Pacho yan fa for hello. Good morning.
The friend will say.
Pacho yo mami tio.
You see a friend will say.
Pacho nam se pacho mami tio.
This so as a Berman mission idiot me da.
Aha.
Because you might be a big company. Now, madam, when I boss, you be na me and the driver. But I'm no oku. Na the way na me ka say he said in any time ni bibi. And sana the sana sa driver. Kunya kupon ni. Ha mi papa.
It's wo ye.
The touch of me ba.
Bra. Na
It's no eba no sam. Just the me biala. I'm so be na what ba katua. But too much work is na. You kunya kupon ni. Ide manye. It's only sentino. Edumano na me one family. The jabisa ko gi ni hia. To ko pay. Eduma me ya. It's a professional nigga. You go to my back work. It's no a man is mostly. Or my papa. A man. Me can I don't know. It's no
One more dear, cry na who cham man dear no.
Nah, just no me asa make us be say. The was the big biara. But I just it's so me sha. Me to me yesterday no. Entem nya ko put me dead man. It is an idea. Me so get me spend nya kasa spend some me. After nya ko put stop up me na papa we.
Ya mishra wonso. Hello.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
Pacho ma bintio.
That's the idea to me that
Hey, we ye.
that's you. But I'm going to ready fine.
Okay, what it? Tribuna mintie ban say na open ya o ye.
Oh, none to send this soldier.
No person di soldier.
Yeah.
And who di and I wendi.
Oh, it's still papa.
What if he?
Oh, you.
Hey, then catch me. Help us di soldier na here.
I'll catch him for about 1 minute. Or a second.
Okay.
Answer. No, not again. They don't go or deny me catch him. When you already are, make a journey, I'm pregnant. Also, only emotional.
And 2 years,
oh, number, me the same no cassa no.
Oh, Kafra. Eti, we are there, we yin say na wo ye.
That's now.
Wow. And also only mun enyo no nti akora ne papa ne hwan.
Mr. Mad.
Obehwe wade. Oda wo so jere mu ana say wareta. Oda wo.
Yeah.
Me check wo number no. Me fro, ye be kwa kope na chi akwan. That's pa.
A chance to na yen free ya.
Hello. Oh, sorry. Oh, that be want to engineer so that. Such an episode come.
A chena yen friend no so on free back. And then yami adom DNA wo ho. Enti se wo se ye ne bawo, enye ne bawo. Ye betimi ehunu akwada no papa. O akwada no deserve better se nya maame no kra na. Akwada no deserve better se obenya papa. Obehunu ne papa nipa wo no. Enti enne de bastard ni ba bia.
Joseph for ya di o.
En wo je Mary.
Joseph ya dear papa.
So J Mary.
Baby. Potiphar's wife.
Oh, okay.
And I make just Jesus mommy. Hey. Joseph ya dear.
And no Johnny.
Joseph ya dear. Hello.
Hello, Captain.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Captain.
Ebiaton.
Minia, Captain, Minad. What to Mama Bless?
Wala pa
Mama Bless.
Ebe mrada kusai.
I'm not more fascinated.
I want to wow fascina.
I'm more fascinated. It's all
Oh, abandoned, Chimamite.
Me electric. That connect a man, a gate many be na Nippanese ye day. Hey, Captain, and ye. Utimu gwana mituti naka. Utimu gwana minenum.
No,
mituti naka.
I aware then what better way you bedroom, a carpenter and a plumber.
The electrician.
Abba, April. Electricians on your bedroom.
Not that. To do a word, you know, where Ellie and wanted to panage, not in a seven phone, I don't mobile. Now, me come in master the task into me catching the neighbor or condom and Dazi. Na me so me to be up and me too no go. Captain, ya me ya do me the home na ye ble me safune ye papa. Oh, no quite American.
Oh, brother Joseph for ya papa.
Oh, wa bo mo din ja go for to do there. Na me wa fa te sia beso. Wa bo degree yo captain. E bi oboko bia o so nyansan.
Oh.
So my catching the meters ne ekata city yebidizi the me ko bana ka kamenya no na menini na aje oido ye djuma o de bogbo ye na no this am na me good ameshe ya meters ya me shira no nka ho
Amen.
Onye o kese pa na edmo we de
No yes and papa. Hello. Yo, that's it. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Miss Snow, me bad girl. Oh, yeah, Nathan. No, we, you know. No, what's all for baby. A quiet me can say of attachment. Papa particular man do. Yes.
But unlow radio name my kakra. Yeah.
Yes, Juma would loan. Juma would do a farm. Like school for the baby, I bet would be to Okoa. Or the movie a measure of a namity the Diamond. Juma would do the farm. Okona's a 1 PM morning 1 year on try the papa Diam found. And maybe they did about to paint your kind of man. Giant, giant, one cockra. So until a idea AC and Solimu only do a little bit. I said, send a bit so ye, pastor bit so ye. And ye baby, meaning baby, I saw them did meaning baby. One plan a do when Yamaso and Wajai. And say, a idea, I say, what if Yafabo move around, shutting down money in Juma Namushe, like I say a boy. Yamisha, what's it? And then Fabo also kick him. Ye so much Jimmy, I catch him so much Jimmy. Woman, ya more, catch him so many more. And till Bias and Yakupo do it. And to tell the Bias of the car. And yet, Yamia Jumana was in Penini be and Quasia Groma, ya bet some young Quasia for Yakupo in Shawan pay.
No comments. Last caller, oh, Asa, yeah, Fasia. A 25-year-old lady named YY, a cleaner at a company QQ Ghana Limited, was sexually harassed by her assistant production manager, Mr. Didi, causing the poor lady losing her job after being forced to proceed on leave. According to the victim, the incident occurred one Sunday when the company was engaging on a maintenance service. However, the corporate took that advantage to harass the victim to comply with him. After his first attempt failed, he, however, ordered the victim to mob his office, where he again made another attempt by touching and pressing the victim's buttocks and breasts. Upon the lady's refusal to comply with him, he threatened to dismiss her and should not be surprised to see her name on the leaves roster. Nevertheless, the culprit stood by his words and forced the victim to proceed on leave. The case was, however, reported by the victim to the police on the 10th of September 2018, and the culprit was apprehended and questioned, where he admitted that the allegation leveled against him was true. The police later came out to declare that despite the culprit confession, there is no concrete evidence to support the case for prosecution. The police and employees decided to compensate the poor lady with an amount of 1,500 Ghana cedis in order not to prolong the matter, which the lady believes something did not go right. The traumatized lady has no choice than to take the money. According to the victim, she is surprised on how the case was handled and believes something went wrong. According to sources, this lady is not the only victim being harassed by the culprit, but none had the courage to report him. She, however, called on the media to help fight these managers who uses their mechanism against their female employers. Wow. Baya won fie duonunum. Oye adwon Ghana haya. Ne boss ade ne mario menye mario. Sha se mimia no for sa no so mempene. Ye no so come office. Na come obi ho mame. Baya duru ha mo bi so de hwe ye wa puto kakra. Na boss kutano tukutano no fukutano tukutano no fukutano tukutano. So boss jade aye na mempe. O se one penny a one. Mama wa procedure on leave. Na chese ye you adi ano no. No so say onye. Enti boss yi ade a chine nani ba ne ho so no. Na yes you procedure on leave ampa. Tabaya no ko police station ko report here. On 10 September 2018 ya twemu yi. Pempan ye frɛ police for kwache papa ba ya o so ampa. Then so police for say evidence papa na gya tum de then so evidence bi ene ho a ebetumi de gina so e de na court e di asem no enti no esesa ba ya no ye pay 1,500 Ghana cedis ye de compensate ne gya na kwan obaje owunju e so woje abaya de sa sika ne sa na no say esese enhyehyɛ papa timi ba se de be ya sa hawe no entum ma ya ne bebre
asemu Yes, na wonim say e ma no ye kan ase mema nko ana enye e ma no bi ha adwe pa me wadanfo photographer o ka kire me say ono so bitimi fra o betwa me picture no woroko e be kakra na aye naked utwa wie ya na otwe wabutu so wo mo bre papa bitimi dwane gya o mo cameras e wo crofo dem eti enye ma emema no nko a ena omude ye ma ema ni bi kopa adwuma na owura boss no office e hwese de ho sham o show office baby a wote na ode na ye ne target ne nsanya ka boss no number ne nude pictures ene odware a obetwa wo ye we a wo betwa just a boss wo ye very disciplined a be blocking the number ema ya ne bi nso tata mpanifo no oba bi kwa adwuma bi mu a e bi kra ya fa ne so okoya attachment ne target nyina ne sa one mpanifo na ewadwuma ho no e beda no wanya adwuma akwada bi kwa adwuma ono so adwen eda ni chi mu no enti maye nka hu mema no te se mema no nko na eyo yes mema ni bi ye e de tete ma e de ha ma eyi wo mu adi e bi kra o deserve sanka e be fa na adwuma num enso ye mfa no yes e wo ho na ema no mo ha adwen no so wo ho enti nye all situations na ye mema no nko na de ba enema na ba no so bia sai enye omu nyina ene omu be ma na de tata wo mu ema ni bi dita oba bi wo kwa adwuma o ye secretary to the boss dressed na wode beko no kwase de why na nimsi wo no utimu say ready to fight wonu ankasa wo ba adwuma no ready to fight waboa no ho dada ene wode bae entima ye nka ngu mema so se mema nko na enye na ma no bi nso so nye Joseph oyade papa ma no bi nso asai ya uta akoko offices ya hwe ma na omote wona bisa ho se obema ne hugina ne ho so ya waye wei ahipi onofo ba begu ubo asha atade aka kakra na se bise butrum gu ho wo de kwa akopede wa adwuma mu ho Joseph oyade pa enti eto de bia mema no mfa nche omo nyomo a Royal Osei Mensa o papa ne Honorable Michael Osei Mensa Gasev ne Oga President more France and your birthday when you're 8 years royal happy birthday Mubarak Yakubu ewa humano so Yakubu Som Yakubu som Chigumne yango
nana arehusa ma ebeto ya nfiti last week ene ne peta ma say amasaman abofra wadi 8 years na yese yede na be ne ma me nua ansa ne ma me na be ne ma ansa na abofra yi omotu mami motuki abofra yi na wadi dadoa ene electric shisha be bia abofra ya ne naifa ya reho yi pa abofra 8 years na o hwa abofra sa wati pa no ho moboyi enu nti esa ne center Adom FM DWASO NSEM ya 2 ana ma ba hospital hafa no ma ya ba be hwe sa abofra na captain wo be hu sa wa ye ejina hafa ya reho yi sa ye disika twitwa abofra yin sa ne nsa ho aye bia ne nsa na nkasa ne nsa nkete no ya disika na twitwa ya de grum na wona nsa ho na face so se ni kasa de pampers pa na je abofra 8 years ya de pampers abona to je ye neto no so udi dia fa cheme neto no asiso but abofra tan ha ye be student no achire ya nia ma no etade ye na wo fie on teaching no ye be kono ai big akra nothing so ma me as say na send that sister ye ji say on so e be hwe why ye ka fonama open kode Florence nuka wona daga ye daga wo like tibi nuka wona
Yemlani zame mfo zame ndero kwa baje na gafuna daga kofuna
nuka daga kofuna nuka daga ku obe latrika
Sojiona
nuka
tona
obe
funai Etrikika sojiona vutuna nkizena
Sista bato trafe ta so tre
so trese la tuka huma ene odi guan bebrisa na moja pram no la tuka huma no de bro no nyaba
Yeah, what was it?
The more to when you attend the more in the morning.
Hey, Captain. I forgot no. Look at course your name.
Blade.
Look at
Blade.
Oh. Now, and I will do.
And I know what to do.
Men now will do.
It's also on Manediane. Also on Manediane. After so ne sano sano. They to know beside said no de bron in sano so say baba no de bubo ya man mo de nyina tutu sa. No de blade to kan sano ho sa abata. On tro nyina that ka ho na de bo ala. De to ho so nyina de agwa wa mamu ja cross ni tu nyina pipi. Ajate. Wa wani tia. Nyasa bi an thank you wo amo barak. Woni tia kola no se dia wa ye no na ayesa no. Wa so wo. Na kra oba no ko nya no ho ye. Nyanu hoye otini aboyura inside one na nukura ekuso makola no won ese akola no monkasa bio bi aba bi kana to monkasa bio this guys no wura ho mo hu no enti no hu asa akola kwa me no kase osuro pa nko ano wo confidence no hu nya na nenia enenia agi enti no let us say
ma bio ina de ono di ela home Elle Ghana lo elle Togo. Elle Togo. Dans la civile elle va fi allo. Eva. Tata why you no ba. Captain say e ya revoir bo frane de say sa o sha bo frane pa ne say ye de yatufu ni more no share ni sa e
bo modi na nya abotre na elle home na to bo aseboko na kire ni na mma ye why.
That captain na e bisa ne say aya mama no ma na biane di o kire o de ni hye de ma o ma na biane nti e be se etimi da di na bebre na te se ondidi abofra no kete o timi se ondidi na ibisa na se na ne mama e wo he pa se ne mama e wo ho e na me bisa na se ne mama no wo Ghana ana se ne mama wo Togo o kire ma se ne mama no wo Togo me ne mo aba Ghana ndra na jo e na je se mama ne de pie mu e wo Ghana nti captain wo share mama nse da describe this ya ye no nensa na ba nensa ketwa no ya tu more na tu na fe okay na fe nensa ni na captain nensa ni na tu ya di blade na tu nensa ni na fe ya twetwa nensa no ya de tika no a twetwa nensa ni pa ja say nensa na pampa so ya twetwa ho nyina na fe zo hwe ni tiri ho ya de electric wire na samna ya say ni tu nyina tutu na fe so ne to no pampers na say ya de abo captain
Oh. Tutu say you the plan the some tutu ya na say you den do tutu ya.
Captain Blade. Oh, Captain Blade. Any that you check how me say. Captain na face na chino. Ultimate say brobia ya bro na nkasa say the funyi na atwitwa Captain e abro yi pa. Na hu say abofra 8 years na atwitwa no say Captain.
Or the blade na twitwa yi akola ne more.
The blade, ma'am, o tetri mu yi,
man nche mu yi na mente ase.
Akola no say, nensa no, o tumi mane kan nsa no bom say, no de ababa. Bubru nensa no so sa, apoto mi say ni more ndi eden, 822. Na nensa so ano so a watwitwa so sa no nyina ye blade, no de twitwa nensa no sa. So a woni tie bia ya. The blade no de twitwa nensa no for de lati ko ho ma bia no ho sa ho. We twa say ye twa no video kura na kapo, o ho picture ni. Ndada.
Captain, ya was ye never be full time mo ya we pa na ushe na tia utimi say ya tashi ni bia because nkuna won won de nkuna awu na esa ni say yensa ye obi ani hu ye ntino aka na e de na se dem na de bia no ya hwe ne sa nkuni bi awu no won e bi so ye so no abo kete aya bone pa esa ni say ye be eye bibi electric akwa mo say the electric wire no na ye be say no to na say afiti no to na ma say me say be pampers na ye bon abofra no nti say me say the captain abofra no o captain
anya bia me te say police for confirm ma me ne kunu no yes story ni wie no akosi sen
ne ye tell say mama me una na wo ha say no issue no akosi
me pa cho police for no yeah neighbors ni ya ka bo mo ko for police for no be fa ni wie no e di etire bad doctor because some dey no bad doctor na ye good for no NGO bia ni din man boni bi ankyere yen to asem no e no mo fa ko na no beto hospital no mo beto hospital we thought said NG will not be mun ye na che say akola no be free now so no NG no so akola no ye ni police phone so akola no ye kra no ye ba ha ye beto obiara wa na de omo say ni say CID no ba ko obako but nurse phone so go fu say say obiara den etena akola no not me sha akola ni say say obi a woni akola nche na enti na ma girl no etini disguise no ho dum okono no so da so ta ha no so no so ho fa no ti ni free self e ba ha into a close word be to the bear akola no so de me disguise no ho ewura dem bo akobo akola no won say onim no kasa chiro bi be obohu ni ode ba chi no after nante no nante na aso wo mo nante say bi nante sa obi abaka so wa ni bi wa yesa oba bobo no nti akola no me akola no akola no ka chiro me say dia ebai mami bi ne hu girl no inside one ka tell nurse ne say girl no ya akola that ona mo pamo no so monster pi ho game ati ase nti akola no do na ehu me te ga na mana no hwe ni do no mo hwe sa mami no that for word ho na hwe ho no to osuro ati ase he nti no bambo na ye say dofsu ana say social welfare etimi di ma akola no ye hu ye ni hu sa bambo na say akola ni nya sanse aso oda so tin profone chance na mbe mi hono sanka ye ni ho a na akola no nka mi hu dia will become of the child what I say so mo sa sa mo na nka me ko ne best ni na ya so kro na no ye demonstration wa area no mo say ya bele no fine ya bele no e good ye ni se mra no sa na kire se e bele no na so bambo mbe ne de ma akola ya no ho twitwase ya e psychological no onya effect de biana obobrim no osuro bambo ba na ye de ma no ati ase ye nyina ye bofu enti mo hwe no mo hwe ho na mo dofsu ani social welfare no mo ni bibi emfa situation ho na ye nhwehwe
captain yare ho pa tete wo abo ten tam tete ni bo ya pampesu ene da babo fra na prince so sa no mo twitwa na captain
okay now oyede no didi wan na man aduane
captain badw
oh why na feeding no oyede no didi ne nsai ni ho na ade yi
Jesus say no abofre oda hospital ni yi tete we dey need
sasa ni nsana na
aduane dim
me menshada ni bisa na so no thanks to ya isakura support me kakra and my sister or future glory international baby I buy area no Macedonia down ono support me e ma me to me ahwa kwala what I say na me ba na me hu se me ti se ya di no ya in charge no atuto ndro bi ogo me se ba ye asuma me matuto bridge matuto gos matuto niama a ye bi akwala no me se de ni bisa na so me putu ye best se bi akwala no be yo okay what I say
wagai dagagba obe
Magai dagbo
o magai tumo nugata
mama gbo
why you fine
mama gbo
why mama gba oh Captain Nibsan is obesan ko mami ya oye de sa nudi mo Nibsan is obesan ko ntendi mo just enya bia obekom hobi na obekom mama ko just na mami nchen na sese no opesa ko isa de ohu mami no kra na just de yema hye no bonu hu se obebe mami no asema abofra editu ejaro na captain ya reho pa odu ani be sha abofra ya ya reho pa captain
Mubarak medase Mubarak Yakubu na hotel in Kano. Yeah, story last Thursday about Kwalaya. I feel near the electric wire. A Bruna Ham Musa. It won't the true Musa as any true Musa. It blade the Chuchan and Sa, in a more than a friso. Ade. Was all
Oya Rollins. Adia Rollins, Kurakaya yen in Tam Kessie. What the Yakwada Ketwawi. Somebody bank one way.
When you message me, my main kind, I say tell Sichwa that the almost naked lady workers are not spoiled. They supply joy to men's heart.
Kacheni say, Sasa na wakano. Feminist ebeba so enche. Ma yenya bodu aba yenya flower yenye decorators
former CPP flag bearer can say me see women are objects of comfort.
Enene na asini ye no awo na manyo semu no eti uyo ba nya wo ho se wo no obi di wo giginani ai enyo ho se wo no obi di wo ba giginani wo na obi behwe na
Let's say wa say o ma ready to fight.
And I make an nya wo sa. Nya wo sa ukosu kokosua de sa o de be ye adwuma. E wo se o ma ye hu de wutimi ye de okosua ye no. Enu mom ene ye de kanfo ye de bo waba so. Na mom nye se wo kokofo da wa ha mu anti. Wa maso na esi wa pampam ena wo de nam. Men fa wo nye work and happiness e mankrofo na e program aye wa Adom FM.
Cocoa fo no ya te cocoa no ya processing chabe chocolate. Ya try beto.
Mo mo nyo mo ho chocolate e wo Ghana.
O twa ba pass me do fa ba so be ba so and no odin. Twa na ko na how na wa send him message. So Jaf boko cause en many abre. Many abre pa. Madam Waba Are obi be de bia
Finland, Church of Pentecost.
Elder
Penny Wadano.
Elder Charles.
Elder Enya Charles.
Clement ana.
Penny pa Wadano no. Finland. Edin na ayra mi o facha me. Eti minim se wonim se ye wa. Wonim se sa birthday ntia we ye wa.
On one birthday.
Ene ye ne birthday na obi na dia ba se me wish ema no. E na ayra mi no.
Finland, Pentecost, Elder Samuel ho.
And ebe yo no. No no so mekaya na me dia ma wo.
Ana ebe ye sopeni no ho ne de ebe ye Finland national head
yeah,
Apostle Edmond appear. Yes.
Apostle and your birthday.
Apostle Edmond appear.
It's happy birthday. E yo no. Wecha. Correct for 5 points.
Apostle Edmond say na your birthday.